Yes, news just hit the market. You just hit the market, so we are watching the reaction of the news. We are currently in a trade. I'm going to share my screen shortly. I'll share my screen shortly. Can you hear me? Let me know if you can hear me. Yes. I'm just trying to get everything organized. Okay, so we're in two trades. I took a loss in the morning on GBP USD. I should have recovered it. I entered for a recovery. There's a way I recover my trades with a different and opposite setup, but somehow the market was not doing exactly what I wanted, so I left that trade. Ironically, the trade went won, so I should have recovered my funds in the morning. But right now we are in a trade. I'm just sharing my screen here. Okay, we're in German 40 and what's the other trade I'm in? Let me see. We are in GBP CHF. I'll try to put GBP CHF on one of the screens so you can see. Oh, okay, yeah. You have it. GBP CHF and German 40. So I'm currently in this. I hope the trades go well. I need to reduce the sound of the alert. Yeah. So I'm trying to see if I can go for a 1:3 on on uh, on GBP CHF. German 40 is a very dicey trade. It may go the wrong way. I don't know, but we are just watching to see how it goes as well. Sorry, just a minute. If you are here, just let me know. You can say yes. You can type yes on the chat. Just a minute. Okay, yes. So we've had a very good month so far. We are trading investor funds as well. I trade for people. We as at yesterday we were on 60% return. I'm going to show you the account shortly. But right now, because of the loss I had this morning, it has reduced. We are currently in two trades. We don't know how it will go. We have done our homework. German 40 is very dicey. The one to the right side is very dicey. Hopefully it goes well. But I'm more confident in the GBP stated. But in Forex, you never know what's going to happen. So ours is just to take trades when we see them and hope for the best. Of course, you need to have an edge, which I do. You need to have an edge. You need to know your charts as well. So we do our homework and then we place trades and hopefully it goes our way. I'm going to share my MetaTrader 5 screen shortly. While I'm watching the markets as well. Yeah. So yeah, please do not mind the alarms or the alerts that are ringing. Yeah, they are the alerts on my for the peers which I'm trading. So let's go to the chart. I want to see if I can see other opportunities quickly. I'm going to share another chart here. Yeah. Okay, I think I have. Yes, I'm going to share another chart because I want to see if I can see other opportunities. So I'm going to share this chart. If you're here, you can just type yes, just to let me know you're here. Yes. So I'm sharing this chart. Just a minute. Okay. I believe you can see my chart. So this is GBP. This is Great British pounds versus the Swiss francs. So I expect the price will come down. That's why I have this with a risk to reward of 1:3. I may take it before 1:3, maybe 1:2. In fact, I think I should mark this point because price could reverse from here. So I'll be cautious of this. Let me see what my risk to reward will be. 1:6.3, not so good. I may not take it. I may just allow the trade play. So yeah, that is it for GBP CHF. Let me quickly check. There are trades I had highlighted in the morning. Card CHF. I would have taken this trade, but this buy is just too big. This is why I expect this trade to end. The risk to reward is too low. So I'm not too interested. 1 to 0.85. No, not good. And it may get here, you never can tell. It's just that anywhere around there is very risky. So for reversals. So I won't be taking that trade. Um, I'll check this. Okay, this is the one we are. Euro CHF. Euro CHF. I actually entered this trade, but this place, because whenever you're trading, you need to look to the left of your screen. So I was not too comfortable with this. And if we switch, oh, I hope I'm sharing the right. So sorry. Yeah, I'm sharing the right screen. I believe. Okay. Yes, I'm sharing the. So sorry. I'm sharing the right screen now. So I was saying this is the trade we are in GBP CHF. Expect price to come down this way, and if price comes down this way, price will reverse here, and it will give us a very bad risk to reward. But I actually expect price will get all the way down here. That's 1:3 risk to reward ratio. Hopefully, it may take up to 24 hours because we are trading on the 1 hour time frame. Whenever you trade on the 1 hour, but many times it can take up to 24 hours. So bear that in mind. When we start our academy, we'll be teaching people about the different time frames, what to expect, and how to trade as well. But that will be sometime in the future. So I'm checking Euro CHF, which I had mapped out earlier in the morning. I entered this trade here, but I was not too comfortable because you always have to look to the left-hand side. So the left-hand side was telling me it's quite rough. And on the 4 hour time frame, yeah. So I was trying to see if I can see a bullish engulfing on the 4 hour time frame, but I've not seen that. So it's a bit risky taking it on the 1 hour, although I'm seeing confirmations, some kind of confirmations. These are confirmations, but I'm not too comfortable with it. I'm not too comfortable. I may lose out on this trade because if this trade goes, it's going to go all this way. It's like an inverse head and shoulder pattern. So I may actually lose out on this trade. I would have preferred to see something like this. I think this is a movement style or morning style. I don't know again. Yeah, this would have made me more comfortable. So I'll keep waiting. Price may just keep going like this till at a point it looks for direction, and it could also go down. Yeah. So Euro GBP. Okay, it's at a critical point. Oh, my German 40. Okay, yeah. I'm getting alerts on German 40. Yeah, this we're in that trade. That trade is a risky one. Euro GBP, yeah. So if there will be a reversal on Euro GBP, which I had marked earlier, I would expect a reversal around there. But I'm not in a hurry to take this trade as well. I'm waiting for a confirmation. Yeah. So 1 hour confirmation, like bearish engulfing, something like that. Yeah. So let me move to NZD. This trade, I missed it in the morning. Oh my God, I almost went crazy. I missed this trade. This was a very quick trade which would have given me 1:2 or 1:3, which would have made me easily recover my loss. But I missed that trade. And I marked it out. I actually marked out the trade in the morning, but I missed that trade. So NZD, all the NZD, nothing is going on there. Now I'll move over to BTC USD. Oh, price has moved. We had the symmetrical triangle formation. But price went and wicked out here. Am I comfortable with this trade? We had like a resistance on the 15-minute time frame in this area. I'm not sure. I want to be taking this trade. I'll switch over to the 30 minutes. And on the 30 minutes, what do I see? No, I don't like it. This symmetrical triangle seems to have been, on the 1 hour, it looks good in a way because it wicked out and came this way. But if you look at it, we have like a large, huge double bottom here. So I expect price to actually go up. So going down might be a bit risky, except I use a breakout strategy. Oh, the breakout strategy is gone as well. So there is nothing we can do with this. We are late on this. Let me see. We are late. We are late. Even if I wanted to use a breakout, we are late. So this is gone. I'll have to take it out. Yes. So we can't really do anything. We'll wait for a proper confirmation to see whether we'll actually go higher. All these blue lines are feed levels, which are drawn out. There's the 50, 62, 70.5, the OTE, ICT OTE zones, and we got to the 79. So we saw a reversal, a hood reversal. If you see that, Bitcoin will enter a trend. If price actually reverses from here, Bitcoin will actually enter a very long trend very soon. So we are watching out for that. And on the weekly, we've been consolidating for quite a long time as well. So we are watching for reversals. And we already have like a double bottom here. So the price may just be retesting this area before it shoots up. So we are waiting for that. I need to cancel these alerts. Yeah. Yes. That's why I have done this to signify that price may go up. But everything is probabilities. It may also still come down, clear out all these sell stops that are residing under this area. This like a liquidity area, a good liquidity area as well. So price may actually still come down, clear this out, and then reverse. It's possible. We can't rule that out. So that's that for Bitcoin. Gold. I've been monitoring gold. I need to switch to the 1 hour time frame. I trade a lot of assets, trading is all about probabilities. Before I used to trade only one asset, which is not bad. You can trade one asset. But when you trade a lot, I just trade strictly using the 1 hour time frame. However, to follow trends, I still do my analysis on US 30 and Bitcoin. Yes. So in that way, I can follow huge trends when they occur. But for daily trading, I just trade using specific retail patterns, on US 30 and Bitcoin. Sorry, on all the other on crosses, or majors. Majors are like the major currency pairs, like GBP USD, Euro USD, USD CHF, things like that. So, and then the crosses are the crosses between the currencies. Yeah. So that is it. So gold, I've been monitoring gold. We actually have a kind of double top here, We actually have a kind of double top here. Well, I'm not going to be trading this. It's risky. I won't be trading that. I wanted to see a confirmation here to actually continue upwards. That's what I'm expecting. So I'll wait patiently on gold. And then GBP USD messed me up in the morning, but I won't say it's a mess up. I followed my rules strictly, so I'm very, very happy. That's a happy loss. When you follow your rules, and you have a loss, it's not a problem. I could have recovered that, but somehow I didn't execute quickly enough. Or rather, I got out of the trade as well. I got out of the trade because I thought I saw something wrong. And truly, although price went to my take profit, but immediately, what I feared happened. Price just tanked. It fell. This candle you see, it fell. I was trying to hold price. Initially, I wanted to bring it down somewhere around there. It didn't happen. Then it went up. So I wanted to take it up, but I was afraid of this fall, and it still fell. But if I had held my trade, I should have been smiling in very good profit and recovered all my losses plus profit this morning. So no problem. We are not worried at all. Yeah. So NAS 100, let's see what's happening with NAS 100. NAS 100 is going to the top. We're in an uptrend on this right now on the 1 hour. So price may actually go this way. But I'm not trading that. I need to check my US 30. Okay. US 30. I'm going to introduce. I trade both using retail patterns, retail trading patterns, and also smart money concepts. I've found a way to blend it and it works for me. So that's what I do. So price is still above our moving average. I should have taken this in the morning, but I didn't want to take too much risk. So price is still above, and it has come back to retest this area. I think I'll take US 30 after the close of the 1 hour. I may likely take US 30 after the close of the 1 hour candle. And hopefully we can get a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So I'll be looking at US 30 closely. It's just that the 2:30, 9:30 open in US sometimes is very scary because price will just wick down and then still go up. That's the problem with that. So we'll be looking at US 30 closely. We'll wait for the 1 hour candle close. Yeah, because we have a formation here that is signifying that price may want to go. So we'll be looking at that closely. And then yes. So let's see Ethereum. Oh, Ethereum seems to be. Is there an opportunity on Ethereum? I don't want to take too much positions, so I have to be very careful. And I'm also afraid of a fake out as well. I'm not sure I'm liking the pattern I'm seeing on the 1 hour time frame. So, okay, we have this, we have this. Yeah, this is a possible trade actually. I need to check. Bitcoin is related to Ethereum. Let's see what's happening with Bitcoin. This could be a fake out. So do not worry. For those who may not understand what's going on, we are going to be teaching people very soon how to trade. I'm already in two trades. Otherwise, I probably would have taken this trade if I was not in two trades already. It's quite tempting to take, but I'm afraid of a fake out on this. Let's see. The trade is already moving. I think I'm a bit late, even if I wanted to take it. Oh, sorry. Price may certainly get to 1:1. I'm late. I'm a bit late. My entry will be very bad if I enter now. I'm a bit late. I would have taken this. This would most likely get to 1:1 raise to reward. And it may also get to 1:1.5. Oh, yeah. Okay, I see. It will most likely get to 1:1.5 if the trade goes in the correct direction. Well, I'll leave this. I'll pass. I think I'll pass on this. $13.54. Price may actually reverse. Let me leave this. I don't want to be tempted into taking this trade. So I'll leave the here. And then I'll quickly check my majors again. Euro USD. Euro USD. Okay. Euro USD. I may take this trade. If it reverses, if price does this, gives me an entry, a confirmation, and does this, I'll be taking this trade, certainly. But I don't know, price may not come back down. If price comes back down, I'll take this trade. Many people may be wondering, how come you're trading so many pairs? Trust me, I used to think that you just need to focus on only one pair. It's good to start to focus. When you're a starter, focus only on one pair, is very good. However, in order to get many opportunities, because at the end of the day, the markets are revolving in circles, what's the price of a currency pair? It's $1. Today the US dollar is 1.1 above the GBP pound. Tomorrow it falls to 0.98. You know what I mean? So price is revolving in one place. So by the time you know patterns, smart money concepts combined with ICT, and you have a variety of peers. Like me, I just strictly look at the 1 hour time frame. I just browse through very quickly so many peers. I have all the majors. I have indices, crypto. I just took one crypto, mainly Bitcoin, although I trade Ethereum as well sometimes, and then indices, US 30. I also look at the other indices because sometimes some peers are slower to move than others. That's why you get opportunities. So even if you have missed out on one, you are most likely to see another one during your trading session, which could be Asia, London, or New York. So that's why I trade so many peers and it works perfectly for me. So what was I trying to write here? Okay, I was putting an alert. Yeah, the alert would be 1 hour bullish engulfing. I want to see a confirmation of 1 hour bullish engulfing when price comes back here, and then I'll take the trade. Not. Yeah. So I can't see anything here. USD JPY. This I would like it to fall, but price may continue also. On this, USD CHF. There seems to be a trade going on already here. I don't know if this trade can reverse again. If the trade reverses, I'll be watching this as well. No, I think this other block they stop the trade, and we already have. I want to see price come down, so we already have a kind of reaction here. Just a minute. Let me check. Okay, yeah, there is still a possibility, although a very weak possibility, that price may go, that price may reverse. So if that happens, then we will most likely take this trade if we see a confirmation. I don't like trading without confirmations because you could easily get your hands burnt. Even with confirmations, the market is already rigged. So even with confirmation, sometimes you see a very good confirmation and the market it will not respect it. So we always have to be very careful when trading. Yeah. So I don't think price will reverse again. I do not think so, but I'll watch out for it. I'll watch out for this. Yes. So I've set an alert to let me know when price comes back that way. USD card. There is nothing here. I think I need to. This has been violated. I wanted to say confirmation to possibly take the trade up, but no confirmation. So the trade is violated already. This is a wrong setup. So we are out of. We are not. We are not doing this. Here's the card. I missed that opportunity in the morning, as I said before, and old USD. So yeah, that's it. I'm watching my Euro USD trade closely. Sorry, my German 40 setup for any signs that price will go against me. Let's go to German 40 quickly. German 40. Where is that watch list here? German 40. So this is the German 40. We have like a double top here, which is making me really, really worried about this trade. I want to see price go, but this double top is making me a bit worried. I entered when I saw this kind of confirmation. It's a kind of is this evening star? I need to check. I keep confusing them. What is evening star or morning star? You know, this double weaknesses shown through the candlestick, and then we had this kind of engulfing. So it's another type of a confirmation. So I entered very close around this area, but price just kept coming down, and now we have like a double top. Because if you look at it closely, if you look very closely, this is. I think I have an alert ringing. Let me see. Gold. Okay, so if you look very closely, you'll see that this is like an inverse head and shoulder. That's what made me look into the trade. An inverse head and shoulder, and we already crossed like a little bit of the neckline. So I thought price might continue. But when I'm looking at it now on the second thought, I think this might be the real neckline. I may have been wrong. However, let's see. I'm already in the trade, so there is nothing I can do about it. Except to cut loss quickly if I feel the trade is going against me. I don't want to see a border close below this candle. If I see a border close below this candle on the 1 hour time frame, that will signal, and I think I've seen. Yeah, I think I've seen. I may have to close this trade. I may have to close this trade because this candle's border is slightly below. It's slightly below. It's slightly below this. That may signify that a double top is in play on the 1 hour time frame. I'm not too comfortable with this trade anymore. I may cut my loss and get out. Or sometimes you cut your loss and then the trade just skyrockets. Yeah. So this is a very, very dicey one. Let me see what's happening on the 4 hour time frame. Oh, the 4 hour time frame closed with a bearish engulfing. I think I'll cut my loss. So this is a dicey one, a very dicey one. Do we cut our losses? I think I have to cut my loss quickly. Yes, I will have to cut my loss. I don't like this double close, this border close. So could price still go up a little bit to give us? I'll cut my loss. So I'm cutting my loss on this German 40. I regret it, but there is nothing we can do. I think I need to send this to the Telegram group. Yeah, you can join the free Telegram group for free signals every day. Yesterday we had 2 wins, so you can join as well for free signals on Telegram. So I'm going to be posting that they should cut loss on German 40. Guys, cut loss. And then keep holding GBP CHF. Okay, let me share the Telegram group. I'll share the screen of the Telegram group so you can join. It's free. You can take my signals if you want. I'm really tempted to take the opposite side of German 40, but As soon as I cut loss, prices is falling. Okay, so let's see. I want to share my screen of the Telegram group. Yes. So this is the Telegram group. That's the Telegram group. You can join the Telegram group if you want. I'll quickly, while I leave this on, okay, let me remove this first. The link to the Telegram is on is on is you can see it scrolling through the screen. And then I need to share. I'll need to share my screen again. Let me share the screen for the trade, MetaTrader 5. I'll come back to do explanations, but I want to quickly, just a minute, I want to, yeah. Okay, I'll quickly go to my analysis. Okay, so German 40, like I said, I cut loss when I saw that we have a slight body close below this candlestick. So there's a tendency that price could fall. So I'm out of this trade. Now, let me see what's happening with gold quickly because I've been getting my alerts. Okay, nothing still happening with gold. US 30. Yes, I need to look at this US 30 now. I think I'll enter for longs on US 30. I'll enter for longs on US 30. Yes, I will enter for longs. US 30. I need to be quick about this, yeah? US 30, 50. Let me see. Yeah, I'll be entering the trade on US 30. So I'm in a trade on US 30 now. I would have showed you the process, but I have to be a bit quick. So US 30, I expect price to go long. As I'm buying. When I say go long, I mean I'm buying. Looking for, I'm actually looking for a 1:2 reward ratio. Let's hope that the New York Open does not mess us up on US 30. Yes, I know my alerts are quite annoying, but please do not mind it. So this is US 30. I need to send this to the Telegram group as well, so anybody who wants to take the trade can take it. Just before I do that, I'll check the moving averages quickly. Yes, we're above the moving averages, which is good. Okay. Free, for free, on Telegram. I do that every day I'm here. London session and New York session. I'm here every trading day. If for any reason I'm not going to show up, which is rare, I will let you know on Telegram as well. But I'm always here though. Yes. So US 30 buy and the stop loss. I'm not using this exact diagram for the stop loss. We have to give some space. 49.163.3. 49.163.3. Need to get some space in case price comes back down to retest. That's 9639.1. Take profit. 49,635.1. 5. Use forex.com for your charts. On TradingView, tradingview.com. Yes. So we are we are in two trades at the moment. I'm not risking much when I enter all those trades. I just spread my risk among several trades in a day. That's what I do. So just in case, if you risk too much, all your money on one trade, it could be wiped out. So I spread risk because trading is just a game of probabilities, plus your edge as well and knowledge. Okay. Yes, I'll show you. I'm just trying to Ethereum USD, Ethereum USD. I have a lot running in that. Let's see quickly what alert is telling, what the alert is telling us. Ethereum USD. Is there anything important there? Ethereum. Okay. Yeah, this is the one I was trying to take on the 5 minute time frame. It's reversing. There is nothing there. I think I'll remove this alert actually. Yeah, I'm deleting the alerts. Okay. I'm back to gold. I just keep going scrolling through a lot. That's what I do most of the time. And then for GBP USD, okay, US 30 time approaching. I got my alarm telling me. So very soon we are going to see a sporadic move in US 30. I hope it maintains our trade. Uh, yeah, I trade internal range liquidity every day on that smart money concept on GBP USD only. Let me see if there is any opportunity there. Although time has gone actually, I'm supposed to have done that by 1:30, but there was news, and many times when there is news, it doesn't really work. That's why I was not really bothered. So let me see on the 15-minute time frame what could have happened. Sorry. Do we have any opportunity to trade that? So this is like 42 pips range. Um, on the 15-minute time frame. Does it occurred already? No, I don't. I don't. This 130 took this out. This would be risky to trade. I'm not interested. Okay, so wow, the trade that closed on German 40 has reversed again. Well, I'm already out of it, so we can't complain. Here, if German 40 moves and it doesn't skyrocket up, then we'll join it later somewhere around here. Okay. Trading is boring. It's a very boring game, but it's very rewarding as well. So you can just sit here all day, just doing the same thing. But when you make the money, you're happy. You know, that's what trading is all about. Okay. So, like I said, you can join the free signals. You can join free signals, and every day you can take my trades as well. I hope you can hear me clearly. Okay, I'm trying to see. I may possibly take that Ethereum trade. It's just too tempting. The setup looks good for me. Or look at it one last time on the side. Okay. Let me try to see if I can share my screen so you can see my MetaTrader 5 and see where the trades are happening. Yeah, I'm trying to share my MetaTrader 5 now. But I believe it should be on now. So in 2 minutes, we are going to see what happens. You see a big movement in US30. I hope it doesn't take us out. Let's see what happens on US30. I'm tempted to take the Ethereum trade, but let me see what happens. If I should take the Ethereum trade, then I should be taking it now actually. Okay, I'm just waiting. We have a few seconds more. And it's time to rumble. Yeah, DJ 30. We'll know now whether we are wrong or right. Okay, DJ 30 seems to be going well so far. I hope it maintains that. You can see the sporadic, you see how it's running. If you look under DJ 30, you'll see it. Yes, we are right on DJ 30. The New York 830 open is helping us to push price to take profit. DJ 30, where's my DJ 30 again? DJ 30. Yes, DJ 30 is going very well, very, very well. As you can see this, you can see the movement, you can see the speed. We are running into take profit. Nice, 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 nice. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Let's hope. Let's hope it doesn't reverse on us. We are running into profits. Quickly, 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 quickly. Nice, 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 nice. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Yeah. So with this, I'm going to recover my losses in the morning. But I'm not done today, trust me. There are still many more opportunities I'm looking at. Okay, I've recovered all my losses so far. Today should have been a real profitable day if I had maximized my chances in the morning. I missed one, I didn't see it while I was trading the order, and the other one, just like I explained before, Somehow I got out of the trade because I was afraid of the fall, but the trade went well eventually. Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. Nice, 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 nice. Very nice, very nice, very, very nice. It's almost there. I hope it doesn't fall. I hope it keeps pushing. Keep pushing, keep pushing. We're at a very dangerous zone now. Yeah, we'll keep holding. I think I should put, I'm thinking to put my trade into break even. But sometimes you put it, okay, no, what I'll do is I will reduce my loss. Sometimes you put it into break even, then a spike comes, takes it out, and then goes the right way. So I've reduced level of my loss, my stop loss rather. We're not in a loss, we're in profit, as you can see. You can see it for yourself on MetaTrader 5. So if you want to join my broker is Vantage Markets. There's a link that is scrolling along the screen. You can join my broker, Vantage Markets International. It's Australia-based, but they have license in the UK and in many places, in Cyprus, in Australia. Yeah, they have very tight spreads. I've used many brokers, trust me, especially we who are based in the UK, and Vantage just gives me the best. Some brokers will tell you 1:500, and you enter there, you realize you're almost trading like 1:30, in leverage. So Vantage is not like that. 1:500 is really 1:500, which is huge. Yeah. So you can use my link that is scrolling across the screen to join my broker. And please do not forget to like and subscribe on the video. So we're almost there. We're almost at take profit. That's why I like US30 actually. It's always very fast. We're almost at take profit. We're still holding. We are holding. Yes. We're still holding US30. I really want US30 to climb. I hope it doesn't reverse from here. From here is risky. But we're still holding though. We'll hold just a little bit. I'm just looking for 1:2 risk reward. I really hope to put my take profit. Oh my god, Ethereum, I should have entered Ethereum. It's going exactly the way I wanted. I didn't just want to risk too much. Now I'm missing a trade, that's a profitable trade on Ethereum. But it's all good. At least US30 is giving us the profit. US30 is giving us the profit, we can't complain. Ethereum is moving very fast as well. Just like USDT moving fast. GBP, Swiss franc is reversing. But that one may take some time, so I'm not really worried. It may even finish tomorrow, because that could be a 24-hour trade. So we're not that bothered. It may go back into loss, then we go into profit, loss, profit before eventually it flies down at some point. That may be tomorrow afternoon. It may even be in New York session, and it may be today. We don't know. Let's hope USDT does us good. Yes, we're almost there for USDT. We're almost there. I could have shared my screen on the charts, but I don't have. I'm not sure I can share two charts. I'll look into that later. I'm not sure I can do that. Otherwise, I would have shared the chart. So we are swimming in profits. USDT going well, going well. I hope it doesn't reverse at once. I just want it to take the swing highs. I want it to take the swing highs and we're done. Sometimes at the swing high, you could get the surprise of your life. It can reverse suddenly and come back down, take you out. But I don't think that will happen. You just have to hold. You're still holding. Okay, gold. Gold is doing what I want as well. Gold is doing what I want. I may take a gold trade. Yes. I may take a gold trade after this. I think I'll most likely take a gold trade. Let me see how the 1 hour closes. So if this goes well, I will take a gold trade. Okay, USDT is doing well. It's doing well, doing very well, doing very well. Doing very well. It's doing really well. I'm closely watching gold now as well. I will most likely take a gold trade as well. I'll move my USDT to break even now to avoid any surprises. Yes, so this is risk-free. We are free of. We can't take a loss now on this. I've moved it to break even. We are just a little there, almost there. It's USDT. We're almost there. There's a lot of trouble around this area. This area is a scary area because it could also reverse.
First, you have to tell me where you are. Go to privacy settings.
I'm not talking to you. Chat GPT. We want USDT to attack the swing highs. I just hope it does. If it starts to come down too much, then I would have lost some profits. This is the scary part. This is the scary part. I really hope US30 attacks the swing highs. We're still holding though. Price has dropped too much. I'm not happy with this. Well, our prices are break even. This is why I'm always afraid that this swing high areas, because price could just drop from there. But I really wanted it to give us a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. We still have 15 minutes more. So price could still go back up and attack the swing high. If not, then we're really screwed. This is the hard part of Forex. Watching your profits go up and down, watching price go up and down is very, it's draining. Let's see what happens. Price is not doing the way I want. I'm not happy. I'm losing a lot of profits quickly. Now I'm thinking, should I have closed at the swing high? But we still have 14 minutes. Because 30 is a beast, Oh my God, price is coming back down. Now I'm almost regretting. Maybe I should have closed at the swing high. I'm surprised it has come so low. We are not closing. We'll hold. We'll still hold it. Wow. Oh my God. We are losing all our profits. This is crazy. We have 12 more minutes. I just hope this candle pushes back up. Otherwise, we took the wrong decision then, and we may just close the trade. Oh, wow. This is surprising, I'm shocked. Well, not too shocked. I think I regret not taking profits at the high. It's clear now. I regret not taking profits at the high. I've lost this. I regret not taking profits. I can't believe price just came back. Can you imagine? Wow. Price has taken me out. This is crazy. This is crazy. Well, these are the nuances of trading. We can't complain. Price took me out of break even. And price may want to go back up, you know. Unbelievable. Okay, well, we can't complain about that. I should have taken my profits at the high. I really wanted to, but somehow I said, let me hold to see whether it will go back up. It's going to clear the highs, but that didn't happen, apparently. So, it took us out. Well, we have a gold trade coming up soon. So I may enter that gold trade. Once we enter, I'll close it. I'll close this chart. We also have the British pound Swiss franc, which will certainly give us about 1:3 and make us put us back in profit as well. So that's not a problem. The market is ruled by fear and greed. I think I was a little greedy here. I wanted it to exactly give me my risk to reward ratio, and I paid the price, a very heavy price, you know, because we were in real good profit. It was one of those things. At least I protected it, and the price could still reverse and go up, you know. Price could, but I'm not sure I want to be trading that. I'm not sure I want to be doing that. Price seems to be reversing now after taking us out. I've seen US30 do this before. I think I will re-enter. I'll re-enter the trade. I've re-entered the trade. I've re-entered the trade. Just at about the point I entered before. Let me see what happens. I still have a gold trade, which I will take as well. So if I'm going to be wrong, then the gold trade could make up for it. I still strongly believe that US30 will go back up. I still strongly believe that. Although the 1 hour close, the candle, which we need to be careful of. What's a lot is that? Can't believe this. If I'd known this will happen, I would have just closed that trade, then possibly re-enter again when it comes back down. Unbelievable. Yeah, that's trading for you. It's always advisable to take profit at the highs. But I really wanted the price to clear that high so that we can get a good risk reward. Apparently, I was wrong. So price didn't do that. But I still believe in the trade. I've re-entered. I still believe in the trade. It took us out at break-even, but I re-entered. I may be wrong, but I just have to take my chances because that trade, I still believe price will go for the highs. I'm about to enter a gold trade. Okay, I will enter a gold trade soon. Let me show you the setup I'm seeing on gold. Yeah, I want to show you the setup I'm seeing on gold. And once I've entered the gold trade, we'll call it a day. I've seen USDT do this before. You know, it's going to go up, then come down the CView, and then go back up again. So that's why I re-entered. So I still strongly believe. Even the other trade, GBP CHF, that I'm not even worried about it because that one might take a long time to play out. So let's let's see the gold trade quickly and see what we are looking at. Okay, so for gold, yes, this is what I'm looking at on gold right now. I hope you can see my screen. So I'm expecting longs to happen on gold. That's buying. We have to buy on gold. Yes, moving averages are supporting it. It looks good. It could be wrong, but based on my analysis, I expect gold to go up. Trade 5. Sorry, I'm just trying to do my calculation quickly to enter the trade. Yes. Yes, I've entered the trade on gold as well. So I entered the trade on gold. I'm in the trade on gold now. And we call it a close. So I'll be sharing the trade on gold on the Telegram channel. So I'm going to monitor this trade, and then we'll call it a day from here. See you next week.